Karate Academy with my happy karate kids, with Mr. Anel, Miss Brianna, as well as Mr. Eric. And we're going to actually work on our yellow belt inside pattern this time. We're going to go ahead and show that technique as well too. Again, if you haven't found out, know exactly how to do the beginner white belt pattern, inside pattern, go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Look for that tutorial first to show you exactly how to go and do those 4 techniques, and then it's an add-on again for the advanced techniques. Knowing that as yellow belts and higher, we start moving forward in our self-defense. So instead of moving side to side on that very first block, we're actually shooting on an angle and moving forward. And you're going to notice that with these kids here. All right, so I'm going to buy you guys in first. 3 claps up. We'll touch the tip and skate. Right. Hey guys, good favor guys. All right, I'm going to get ready to go into the advanced yellow belt inside pattern. So we're going to start off with the regular beginner pattern first, and then go right into the next techniques after that. So start off, guys, and get ready, stance. Here, we're going to go and shoot forward with a roundhouse block. So on 1, roundhouse block, split fingers to the eyes, extended knuckles, and then bare hand straight out to the ear. The last in the chamber of the hand. On 2, we're going to go ahead and grab. We can either grab with the shoulders, so depending on where we're at, or else grab at the head, and we're going to throw a knee up, and then an elbow, and an elbow strike. All right, so back up again. We're going to do that in 2 counts, guys. So the first one is a full pattern, and the second one after that is a knee and the elbow. You guys got it? Sensei?
Yes, Sensei!
Thank you, guys. Great. Here we go. Ready? And 1. Roundhouse block, split fingers, extended knuckles, bare hand. 2. Grab knee, elbow, and elbow. Awesome. Good. Bring it back. And you can see some of them getting ready to go and get in that motion of pushing at the very end of it. We go ahead and do that when we're in the self-defense line as well too. So they're just getting used to that motion as well too. So you guys can practice that. We're doing another one, 2 counts, same thing. Ready? And 1. Roundhouse block, split fingers, extended knuckles, bare hand. 2. Grab knee, elbow, elbow, just like that. Back up. All right, and then again, like I said, it's important for you guys to make sure you're moving forward on an angle on this technique, because it's going to set you on up for what we're going to do next as green belts. So again, one more time, let's do it all in 1 count this time, guys, because you guys are doing such a great job. Ready, and 1. Roundhouse block, split fingers, extended knuckles, bare hand, grab, knee, elbow, elbow, and back up. And that's real time. You don't have to go ahead and do it anything fast. I'd rather have the kids go ahead and practice it slow and do it correct instead of doing it fast and doing it wrong. So make sure the technique is right and the correction is right as well too. I'm going to buy you guys on 4 times, 3 claps up. Together and bow. Awesome. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and keep on watching.